What if I told you the most anticipated DJI drone in years has just been teased, and it might be their boldest leap yet? Yep, a Brazilian reseller just dropped the official teaser for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and the internet is buzzing. The teaser itself kicks off with 3 words. He has arrived. Dramatic? Absolutely. But considering the hype, it's kind of perfect. Today, we're unpacking everything we know. Specs, leaks, global release details, even the box art that basically spoils half the story. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to know why this tiny drone is making such massive waves. So here's what we know for sure. DJI Brazil, through Loa DJI, has circled September 17th as the big reveal date. That's literally days away. The teaser brands the Mini 5 Pro as the new generation of technology, and they're promising the same pricing as its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. Add in exclusive early access offers in Brazil, and you've got fans speculating like crazy. But here's the kicker. Rumors suggest a global release mid-September 2025. If that's true, this isn't just a regional launch. It's DJI setting the stage worldwide. Now, let's talk about what's actually new. From the teaser images, we've already spotted twist-on-off propellers, a neat upgrade that makes setup faster. Rumor has it they'll sell for $19 a set, or $69 with the full quick-release guard kit. Noise rating, 81 decibels, printed right on the bottom. That's to comply with EU rules, but early testers say it may actually be quieter than advertised. That's good news if you don't want your neighbors glaring at you every time you fly. And the spicy one, a front-mounted LiDAR sensor. This isn't just obstacle avoidance. Think next-level spatial awareness, smoother low-light performance, and maybe even advanced mapping capabilities. It's DJI saying, we're done playing small ball. Now, here's where things get really juicy. Retail box art for the Mini 5 Pro has surfaced, and it gives away a lot. Right on the front, you see the drone bundled with the DJI C2 controller. That's the one with a built-in display, meaning no more awkward smartphone juggling. Pure flying focus, straight out of the box. But wait, it gets even better. The box shouts out 52 minutes times 3. Translation? 3 batteries, each promising up to 52 minutes of flight time. Do the math. That's over 2.5 hours of airtime in one kit. For travelers, creators, or casual pilots, that's a serious game changer. Alright, let's talk about availability. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, FCC. That's basically DJI's way of saying, yes, we're bringing it stateside. And it's a big but, there are ongoing logistical challenges. Retail giants like Best Buy and B&H are still dealing with customs slowdowns thanks to enforcement under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act. DJI has made it clear they're not pulling out of the US market, but supply might be limited at launch. If the stars align, US buyers could see the drone alongside the global release in mid-September. If not, expect some frustrating delays. Here's the thing, the Mini 5 Pro isn't just another upgrade. DJI is pushing boundaries again, longer endurance, smarter sensors, and keeping it under the 249-gram magic limit. That little C0 sticker means US pilots can skip FAA registration, which is basically a permanent skip the DMV line pass. Add in the LiDAR sensor, a pro-level controller, and more airtime than any Mini before it, and you've got a drone that could dominate 2025. So, what do you think? Is this the best Mini yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're just as hyped as I am, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the full spec breakdown when DJI officially reveals it. This one's going to be fun.